Hi everyone, welcome to Princess Royal Cuisine. In today's video, I am going to do the product review on Redmond Waffle Maker. And also, I will show you how to prepare waffle batter to enjoy the delicious waffles. So let's start with the unboxing. Redmond Waffle Maker comes with the seal box. Let's open the box now. Wow! Look at the product. It has an attractive look, compact size, lightweight and easy to carry. The key feature of the Redmond Waffle Maker is it has 180-degree rotation. The unique design of this product is it has side-mounted locking ring for upright storage. Just push the side-mounted locking ring. This helps to easy storage with less space. Now let's make delicious waffles. First, keep the dry ingredients ready. Here I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt. Now sift all the ingredients together. Give it a quick mix and keep it aside. Let's move on to wet ingredients. Here I have taken 4 egg yolks, melted butter, vanilla essence, pinch of cinnamon powder. Beat the ingredients well until they combine each other. Now add soy milk and beat 2 to 3 minutes. And now add dry ingredients. With the help of the beater, mix all the ingredients well. Now take the egg whites, beat well until the peak forms. Add into the batter and slowly fold it. Now waffle batter is ready. Now let's have a look on Redmond Waffle Maker. First, connect the power cord and preheat the waffle maker for 5 minutes. When green and red lights on, which indicates that the waffle machine is continuously heating. When green light off, red light on, indicates that the desired temperature is reached. This is a temperature control knob where you can set the temperature from minimum to maximum. Now waffle maker preheated well. I'm spraying some oil, adding required amount of batter. Close the lid and flip into other side. After 3 minutes, I open the lid. Wow! This looks amazing. This waffles turns into so aromatic with gorgeous golden brown color, crispy from outside yet spongy from inside. And this is the fun part. You can be more artistic person when you have waffles. I would like to thank Redmond brand for sending this product. Dear friends, I have given product details in the description box. If you are interested, you can have one look. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.